Welcome back, guys. Today we're bringing you some of the coolest and most practical car gadgets on Amazon for 2024 that every driver needs to see. From high-tech upgrades to handy accessories, these products are all about making your drive safer, smoother, and a lot more enjoyable. As usual, links to all the products are in the description below so you can grab your favorites. This rooftop tent is designed for easy camping on your vehicle. It quickly pops up in seconds thanks to air pressure support poles, making setup effortless for one person. The tent is spacious enough for 2 adults and a child or pet, with mesh windows for ventilation and rain protection. It comes with a thick mattress for comfort, a telescoping ladder, and plenty of storage. These car LED lights add vibrant colors and fun to your vehicle's interior. You can choose from 16 million colors and customize the effects using its app. The built-in mic syncs the lights with your music, making road trips more lively. The two-line design connects the 4 LED strips neatly, preventing exposed wires. Installation is straightforward. Just clean the surface, stick on the lights, and secure with clips. This is a MagSafe car mount that features a sleek and minimalist design, blending nicely with your car's interior. It uses a strong adhesive to attach securely to your dashboard, and you can easily remove it when needed. The flexible arm made of memory aluminum alloy allows you to adjust it to your preferred angle and position. With powerful magnets, it holds your phone securely even on bumpy roads, making it great for hands-free navigation. Feeling tired of messy outdoor cooking setups? This Overland kitchen provides a quick and easy solution for food prep in various terrains. With features for washing, chopping, and cooking, it sets up in 30 seconds, making it convenient for spontaneous adventures. The included folding sink, utensil hooks, and trash bag holder add extra practicality. This is an air duster designed for efficient cleaning with powerful performance. It features a motor that reaches up to 100,000 revolutions per minute, allowing you to adjust the airflow across 3 settings. The air duster comes with a Type-C fast-charging cable, fully charging the built-in 7,500 mAh battery in 3 to 4 hours for 20 to 40 minutes of continuous use. An LED display shows the remaining battery level and wind gear settings. This car cleaning gel is designed to tackle dirt in tight spots and crevices. It works well for picking up dust, debris, crumbs, and pet hair, making it a handy tool for car interiors and other surfaces. You can easily press the putty into cracks, and it lifts out the grime without leaving residue behind. Made from high-tech materials, the gel has a pleasant cherry blossom scent and can be reused until its color darkens. This is a tire pressure gauge that helps you keep your tires in good shape. The digital display shows clear readings, so you don't have to guess like with analog gauges. It fits easily onto both Schrader and Presta valves, providing accurate readings in increments of 0.1. With 4 settings for different pressure ranges, you can quickly check your tire pressure. Tired of balancing snacks or drinks on your lap while driving? This cup holder tray gives you a stable place for food and drinks during road trips. It connects to the cup holder in your car and can hold items like your phone or wallet, making it easy to grab what you need. With a rotating feature, you can adjust the tray for easy access. This phone mount fits in your cup holder and holds smartphones up to 7 inches. It expands to fit different cup sizes and is adjustable for various heights and angles. The mount has a 360-degree rotation for easy viewing. You can access your phone without pressing the back. This mount works in different vehicles and can hold drinks too. This back massager brings deep tissue kneading and heat right to your car seat, giving you a relaxing experience during your drive. With adjustable intensity settings and a vibration cushion, it targets back pain and tension in your hips and thighs. The secure strap system makes it easy to attach to any car seat, providing comfort and relief wherever you go. This inspection camera with light lets you explore hard-to-reach places with ease. The 4.3-inch screen shows high-definition images, giving you a clear view of the area you're inspecting. 8 adjustable LED lights ensure visibility in dark environments, while the camera's IP67 waterproof rating makes it suitable for wet conditions. A 16.4-foot semi-rigid cable allows for flexible maneuvering, making it simple to reach confined spaces. This cup warmer keeps your drink hot during your drive. You just need to place it in your car's cup holder, plug it into the DC outlet, and then put your disposable cup on it. It fits 12 to 20 ounce cups, whether they are paper, foam, or plastic. The ceramic heater maintains the temperature while you're on the road and automatically turns off when you take the cup out. This is a dash cam that captures high-quality video in stunning 1440p at 30 frames per second, ensuring you don't miss any details on the road. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can easily connect to the app to adjust settings and share your footage. It features voice notifications to keep you updated on recording status and changes, making it user-friendly. The compact design and rotatable lens help maintain visibility while driving. Plus, with advanced parking modes, it ensures your vehicle is protected even when you're away. This is a set of car LED lights that brings a fun, colorful vibe to your ride. With 16 million colors to choose from, you can customize the look through the app's DIY mode. The lights also sync to music, adding extra energy to your road trips. Smart app control makes it easy to adjust the brightness and colors. Installation is simple, with a clean design that keeps wires out of sight. Tired of tangled cables while charging on the go? This car charger offers a neat solution with its retractable design and dual connectors. You get one port for iPhone and one for Type-C devices, each equipped with fast charging capabilities. The retractable cables extend up to 31.5 inches and retract easily to prevent clutter. With 2 USB ports, you can charge multiple devices simultaneously, making it perfect for both drivers and passengers. This steering wheel tray turns your car into a mini office or dining area. It fits most steering wheels and holds up to 30 pounds. The large surface is great for meals or a laptop, and it has a phone or tablet holder. It also features slots for pens and cups. The tray is easy to install and remove, folds up for storage, and is made from durable, easy-to-clean materials. This handheld vacuum works by using a strong motor to clean up dust, pet hair, and debris quickly. It has 2 suction modes to handle light or tough messes, and even has a blowing function to clear out corners. You can charge it up and use it without worrying about cords, and the LED display keeps you aware of the battery level. This is a car scan tool that makes it easy to understand your vehicle's health like a pro. It reads and clears various trouble codes, including those for the ABS and airbag systems. You can connect it wirelessly via Bluetooth to your phone or tablet, eliminating messy cables. The user-friendly app not only provides access to diagnostic reports, but also links you to helpful repair videos.